ziyophelelwa ngamandla izinsizwa neyNtombi. Abantu they will become ungrateful. Abantu they will become disrespectful. Abantu they will become rebellious. Because you cannot be able to obey without power to obey. Now I'm not talking about amazingos. Ngikhuluma ngamandla kaMoya Ngcwele. Now this is what set us apart from the people of this world. Uthi John chapter 14, I am leaving you now, but I will send the helper. He is called the Paracletus, our guide, our teacher, our mentor. He who revives us, he who strengthens us, he who gives us wisdom, he who helps us to be able to navigate through the storms of this time and the deceptions in all their spectrum. Umoya Ngcwele is the gift of God that is given to me and you. He is there where you are. He is willing to enter into your life and transform.